Another team. Ibang team naman.
Second game is brought to you by NGS against Birmingham.
Oh, Birmingham.
Let's go back to the ball game.
Back to the ball.
Yes, Brett.
Birmingham and Gloucester.
Yes, sir.
Ay! Shoot agad!
62 points. Number... CJ. CJ, pass to nobody.
Green ball.
Green ball tayo, green ball. Number 9.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Pass to number 9.
Number 9. Wala. Usman, rep. Raise your hands. Taas niyo yung kamay niyo, mga idol. 51. First personal foul. Number 51. Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you. First strike. Number 9.
Number 9. Paso.
Yes, sir. First strike is good. We'll see the second shot.
Second free throw.
Second shot is
Ay,
good.
pasok ulit.
There is the 2 shots. Tumira ng press. Yes, sir. Pasok Sunyo. Sunyo, binigay kay Kapitan. And Kapitan, wala. Pasok number 2.
Ang galing ng mga Birmingham.
Number 4. Pass to Mr. Armin. Sumubok ng 2 points. Wala.
Ay.
Marcela rebound. Pass to number 4. Number 4.
Kulang tong video natin. Kasi nawalan ako ng battery.
Who's foul, rep? Raise your hands, please.
Raise your hand.
Number 23.
Ayan, free throw.
Armin out. Number 11. In. Yes, sir. First try. Armin Sarsunya.
Ay.
No good.
Unlucky.
Sarsunya. Second try. Time remaining. 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Ay! Talagang lumalabas. Ang score ay 29-11.
Next, number 51. Green ball tayo, green ball. Score 11.
29.
29 in favor of Harper.
In favor of
Yes,
It's 29-13.
Time remaining 28 seconds.
Whoa! Oh! Na-stuck yung bola.
Time remaining 33 seconds.
33
Score
seconds.
29 and 13. Nice rep. Seven. Number 14.
Okay.
Wow. Number 2. Wow. Number 3.
Free throw.
Time remaining 20 seconds.
Pasok.
First try is good. Time remaining 20 seconds. Second try.
Ay.
Wala. Number 11. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13,
Tapos na ang first
Score
half.
29-14 in favor of purple color.
Birmingham. Purple color at green Gloucester. First half, tapos na. Change court. Second half.
29. Ay, huwag mong gawin yan. Masisira yung pass natin. Huwag mong gawin yan. Score 29-14. In favor of Marco. Back to the ball game, back to the ball game. Number 4, number 51. Pass to Mr. Sandlas. Mr. Sandlas. Wala. Binigay niya number 4. Pass to Sunyo.
Ay, lakas. Over Milo. Wala ng purple.
Purple doon tayo, purple. Pass to number 5.
Wow! Pasok.
CJ. Pass to number 4. Pass to CJ. Sunyo. Pass to number 7. Foul rep. Number 5. Kung foul kayo, raise your hands. First try by number 7.
Ay, so,
Wala yung first
very
try by number
unlucky.
7. Second try by number 7.
Ay, sus!
Wala.
Talaga na.
Nakuha niya Mr. Armin. Pass to Mr. Sanchez. Pass to number 51. Number 4, naging isip. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Nakuha niya number 51.
Pasok! Ano ate?
By number 51.
Ading.
CJ. Pass to number 4. Pass to Sunyo.
Ah.
Game 1 tayo. Pass to Sunyo. Sunyo. Wala. Inaalam si Sunyo. Mr. Armin. Mr. Armin. Nagmula. 52 points by Mr. Armin. Oh, ano ba yan? Nakikita nila.
Ading
Number
alin.
4. Number 4. Binigay kay number 9. Number 4.
Pasok. Ay! Oh! Ay!
Line ball tayo, line ball tayo. This league is brought to you by Mr. Louis C. Sunyo. Ultra Force. Number 7. Pass to number 5. Wow! Number naman sana. Who's foul, rep? Number 9, foul. 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. He scored 35-14 in favor of
Purple.
First try,
Ay, wala. Anong gusto mo, Ading?
good.
Ah,
Second shot by number 51.
balik yan.
Yes,
Wow.
sir. Second try is good. CJ. CJ, ganda na ng goal.
Saan?
Pass to number 4.
Wala! Ayan! Ayan kasi. Sayang lang.
Pass to CJ.
Ay! Oh!
Army.
Ay, sus!
Wala. Nakuha ni number 4. Sandra. Wala. Number 7. Wow. Ay, number 7.
Number 7 foul. Free throw si number 7 din.
Score 36. 14 in favor of Marco.
Megan. Oh, pasok.
Warning. Warning. I-technical mo rin. I-technical mo.
Ano daw?
It's okay. You can technical rin. It's up to you. It's up to you.
Referee decision.
Kung gusto mo.
Referee decision.
What? Oh. Warning, coach. Gabriel Lam. Play. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
By Asda. It's brought to you by Audio Force.
Wow,
Time remaining. 11 minutes and 51 seconds. CJ. Pass to
Oh!
number 7. Number 7. Binigay ang malaban. Binigay kay CJ. Wala. Nakuha ni number 5. Number 4.
Ay,
Number
sus.
51. Nakuha ni Sunglass. Tumira ng 3.
Oh! Mali ni Sunglass.
Time remaining 10 minutes and 34 seconds. Number 4. Number 4. Pasok ka sa wala. Pasok CJ. Number 7.
Woo!
Wala pa rin. Number 4.
Pasok.
Number 4. Number 4.
Wala.
Foul by sub.
Time out.
Luigi Senior out. Sino isa? Marcela. Oh, pasok na.
Score
2
14-43.
shots by number 4.
9 minutes left. Lamang ang purple.
Yes, 2 shots.
Ay,
Wala. Number 4. First prize, no good. He scored 43-14 in favor of Purple. Second shot.
Wala pa.
Wala. Nakuha ni Ari. Number 9. Pass to Marcela.
Marcela.
Wala.
Wala.
Number 5. Number 5. Pass to Army. Army, wala. Nakuha ni CJ. Number 14. Number 14.
Ay!
Nakuha niya ang Army. Pass to number 4. Airball tayo. Nakuha niya number 9. Time remaining 8 minutes and 40 seconds. El Capitan, wala.
Ay!
Number
Solo
5.
flight.
Yes,
Pasok.
sir. 2 points by number 5.
Wow! Wala.
Number 4. Number 4. Oh yeah. 47. 14 in favor of Purple. Time remaining 8 minutes and 10 seconds. CJ. Pass to Marcela. Marcela pass to CJ. Binigay kay number 14. 62 points. 62 points by El Capitan. score 27-16.
Pasok! 3 points!
CJ. CJ.
Sorry?
Number 4. Sunglass. Wala. Number 4.
Ay!
Line ball time. Sabrek. Sino idol? Sino sabrek? Sabrek.
Sub. Mga sub.
Sige, unlimited. Pasok, unlimited.
Unlimited.
Okay. Number 7. Low post. Binigay kay number 9. Pass to number 4. Number 9.
Whoa! Easy
3
peasy.
points by number. Mr. Sunglass.
Wala.
Same ball. Time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 51. Pass to El Capitan. Nakuha niya ang red ball. Easy 2 points by number 4. Time remaining 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Mr. Sunglass. Pass to number 11. Pinamahan yung board.
Once lot.
Same ball.
Mamaya, outside. May nagbibinta mamaya.
Yes, red. Number 2. Pass to.
3 points.
Pass to number 2.
Wow! Muntik na.
Wala yung extra.
Uh-oh.
Isang foul, red. Line ball. Same ball. Number 51. Wala. Sabrek. Sino pa? Number 7 out. Sunyo in. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Wala, nabigay na. It's okay. Number 4. Pass to number 9. Michael Jordan na. El Capitan. Easy 2 points by Mr. El Capitan. Number 2. Pass to number 51.
Ay.
Sabrek. Sino number 1? Yaman. Number 2 out. Number 4 in. Yes, sir. First try. Yes, sir. First try is good.
Malinis.
Second shot by number 51. Wala. Nakuha ni number 4.
Ay!
Nakuha ni Sunyo. Powerful ball tayo. Time remaining 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Continuous shoot tayo na. Continuous. Number 4. Pass to number 51. Pass to number 7. Mr. Sunglass. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Extra.
Grabe.
Number 7.
Extra, grabe siya.
Bigay kay number 4. Wala. Sabi. 8-8. Marcela out. Number 13 in. Sino foul? First try by number 4. Wala. This league is brought to you by Overforce from Mr. Luigi Sunyo. Second try. Yes, sir. CJ. Remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Pass to number 4. Number 4, wala. Nakuha ni number 51. Number 51. Pass to Sasha. Number 10. Pass to Sunyo. Number 7. Number 7, wala. Binigay ko Sunglass. Wow! Foul company. Sabre. What's up? Young man. What's up? Young man. Kailangan na itong kinakausap na din ako ngayon. Free throw.
Bigyan mo yung ba?
Yes, sir. Wala na ako ni Mr. Sunglass. Mr. Sunglass, pass to number 51. Pass to extra.
Maka-extra siya, grabe ah.
Simple tayo. Inbounding by Mr. Extra. Pass to Sunglass. Binigay kay number 11. Who's foul drive? Live ball. Okay. Green ball tayo dito. Time remaining 2 minutes and 9 seconds. 53-26 in favor of Purple. Number 9, pass to Sunyo. CJ, pass to number 4.
Yay!
82 points by Mr. Sunyo. Number 2. Pass to Mr. Sunglass. Mr. Sunglass. Drive. Wala. Binigay kay Sunyo. 4 against 1. Binigay kay number 4. Easy 2 points. Time remaining 1 minute and 18 seconds. Pass to number 51. Pass to number 11. Wala. Nakuha number 51.
Ate, alis ka oh.
50 seconds left.
Wala na. Nalo na ang purple. Wait.
35 seconds left.
53-30 ang score.
Mr. Sunglass.
Lamang ang purple. 53 sila.
Pass to number 2. Number 51. 23. 22. 21. 20.
Tama ba mga pangalan mo?
Continuous.
Wala na.
Yes, sir. Wala.
Yay! Wala na. Panalo na ang purple. Well done guys.
Purple color.
It's a game.
Yes, sir. Next game.
Mga ba?
Household against.
Score 53.
Be ready. Susan Vega. This league is brought to you by On the Board.
Idol!
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir. Lakay. Nakunsa man na, lakay. Congratulations.
Purple team, well done. Good job. It's a game, manalo matalo guys.
Archers, ang ating qualifiers ay